Okay, this is a fantastic trick. What if you are running an ad in Ads Manager and you realize that if it's a message objective ad, so your goal, when you choose your goal, is to get messages, you see that there's 7 messages because if you look here in your objectives, so when you look into your different columns and so on, you're gonna see, by the way, always put like newest, so you have your newest here. In the columns here, if you don't see it, you can always customize your columns to see your objective. So here in the objective, I have message objective. So I'm like, all right, did I get any messages? Then I see 7 messaging conversations started. Where are those messages? Now, this is the trick, everybody. It is so fantastic. So I want you to go here into all tools. All tools, you go inbox. And then in inbox, you're gonna see what you wanna look in is you can go here, add response, see add response. And these are the messages that you got from your ad. And you can actually view the ad, see when they responded, and then you can see the message and you can reply in Messenger, and then you can decide to do a follow-up or check done and so on and so forth. So this is where your message from your ad are hidden. Is that amazing? Thank you for liking, subscribing, and sharing it to your friends who might need help with their social media.